Kaleidoscopic. The root word is of course kaleidoscope. I assume हम सबने बचपन में कभी ना कभी टॉय के साथ तो खेला ही होगा. Even if you're not aware of what a kaleidoscope is, you can just pause the video here for 2 minutes and Google it out. So kaleidoscope is this fun toy which produces shifting patterns of colors and light. So what should be the meaning of the word kaleidoscopic? Kaleidoscopic refers to something that is constantly changing, constantly shifting. For example, public opinion process is kaleidoscopic, an endless changing pattern of individual and collective opinions. So public opinion हमेशा change होती रहती है, बदलती रहती है, और रोज इसमें नए patterns, नए opinions नजर आते हैं. Hopefully we are getting the meaning of the word kaleidoscopic here. Let's have another usage from a clipping.
Got an invitation. I was the only one, by which I mean no one except me ever received an actual invitation to Gatsby's. You see, the rest of New York simply came, uninvited. The whole city packed into automobiles, and all weekend, every weekend, ended up at Gatsby's. And I mean everyone, from every walk of life, from every corner of New York City. This kaleidoscopic carnival spilled through Gatsby's door.
So, what was the usage in the clipping? A kaleidoscopic carnival of people. So, Gatsby के घर में हर weekend पर different और नए लोग आते थे. An ever-shifting, ever-changing group of people. A kaleidoscopic carnival of people. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.